Hello kids, welcome to Creative Kids. So on today's video we are gonna draw a fire truck. As you can see, I have it drawn a little bit, but we will start from over. So let's get started. So first of all, what we will do, we will make a sleeping line from here to here. It will be a big sleeping line from one side, one end to the another. Just leave little bit of space for the tire, as you can see. Okay, now a standing line from end, okay, to the middle section. Okay, in the middle section, and the sleeping line we need to make a rectangle. Okay, now again one more sleeping line. So basically it is very easy to make because of most of the time we will make a sleeping and standing line only. So one more standing line little bit above this line, okay, and the sleeping line. Okay, so what we will do, we will not make till the end, till here. So we will take down little curve, as you can see, till here, and little curve here till down. Okay, now we will make two circles for the tire. One circle and two circles. For the starting, when you are starting to do the this, so don't need to use the marker. You can start with the pencil, so you can erase it. Okay, now again we will make one more sleeping line for the road. Okay, now what we will do, we will make a ladder over here. So for the ladder, a big sleeping line from one end to, just leave a little bit of here. So sorry for this, and one more sleeping line together with this. So I guess everybody know how to make ladder, right? Okay, so this is the ladder base. So now two standing line. So you can either count it and do it, or you can do it by your own. Use your creativity. Okay, next what we will do, we will make little accessories for the fire truck. So these are the gears, where they put their little gears and everything. Okay, the safety guard, the siren, okay. Now the window will be rectangle only. We will make two windows and half window over here. Okay, now one safety guard over here, because they are firefighters, so they need a lot of safety. Okay, so now we'll make little lines. Now make one more siren. Okay, now as you can see, we have already done with our drawing. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. On the next video we are gonna color it. So bye bye everyone.